How to turn off YouTube thumbnail previews. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off YouTube thumbnail previews so videos don't start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and tap on General. Now here in the General section, you can see the option labeled as Playback in Feeds. So simply tap on that, and after that you will see that it is set to always on by default, but you can change it to off to completely disable autoplay in the feed. You can also choose Wi-Fi only if you want it to play previews only on Wi-Fi. Now when you scroll through YouTube, videos won't start playing automatically. And that's how you can turn off YouTube thumbnail previews. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.